Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss exercise 12.2, second exercise of applications of trigonometry. If you didn't watch my previous videos, the link is in the description, watch it. Okay, the question is, a TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road. One TV tower is there. From a point on the other side directly opposite to the tower. So if it is tower means opposite side from somewhere. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. So from here he is observing the top of the tower with 60 degrees of elevation. Then from another point 10 meters away from this point. So here original we have one point. Again from this point 10 meters away. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Now from here the top of the elevation is 30 degrees. Okay, then he is asking to find the height of the tower. This height is asking as well as width of the road. This width also he is asking. Okay, let us solve this. Now this total exercise comes under 2 or 3 triangles at a time. So how many figures are visible? Every figure we need to solve it compulsory. So if I make it A, B, C and D point. Here A, B, C, one smaller triangle. ABD, total bigger triangle. So in this case two triangles are clearly visible to us, so definitely we need to solve those two triangles compulsory. Okay, now whenever we have two triangles like this, always start from the smaller one. So here ABC triangle in triangle ABC. Angle is there 60, opposite not there, adjacent not there. Okay, no problem. Angle is there, opposite, adjacent. Angle, opposite, adjacent, it is tan. So tan 60 is equals to opposite H divided by adjacent D. Tan 60 root 3 is equals to H by D. Now I don't know what I need to do further because H is not there, D is not there, so I am keeping it aside, that's it. Okay, now if we take the bigger triangle 30 degrees, opposite to the 30 degrees is H and adjacent is there. What about the adjacent of this 30 degrees? This 30 degrees angle is related to the bigger triangle. So what is the base of the bigger triangle? That is starting from here to here. Total from B to D is the base. This is from B to C and this is from C to D. So what about the total base then? D plus 10. Okay, let us write this. Bigger triangle I am taking, that is tan 30 is equals to opposite H divided by base will be D plus 10. Tan 30 1 by root 3 is equals to H by D plus 10. Okay, now here one equation, here one equation. Two equations we have now. So if we observe the two equations, at least one constant will be same. At least one alphabet will be same. In this height is there, in this height is there. In the both the equations H is common. Here D is there, here also D is there. So in both the equations D is common. So make one equation based on height or else make one equation based on the distance. It is your wish. I would like to make an equation on H. So simply I will take D to the left side. So height is equals to D into root 3. Next here I will do cross multiplication. D plus 10 into 1. D plus 10 is equals to H into root 3. H root 3. Here I took height only, so here also I want height only, so that's why I will take root 3 to the left side. So we will get H is equals to D plus 10 divided by root 3. Observe clearly, here height, here height. for the first triangle or else to the bigger triangle, height is same. So this h is exactly equals to this h. So if these two heights are equal to each other, so definitely these two values are also equal to each other. So let us make these two equal to each other. So if we make these two equal to each other, d into root 3, d into root 3 is equals to, and second equation is d plus 10 by root 3. d plus 10 by root 3. d plus 10 by root 3. Okay, now what I will do, I will take this root 3 to this side. So here it is division. If we take another side, it will become multiplication. So we will get d root 3 into root 3 is equals to d plus 10. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into d, 3d is equals to d plus 10. I'll take d also to the left side. So we will get 3d minus d is equals to 10. 3d minus d, nothing but 2d is equals to 10. Then what about d value? It is 5. All the measurements are in meters, so this is also meter. So the distance is 5 meters, or else the width of the road is 5 meters. Then what about the height? If you observe the first equation as well as second equation, first equation is d times root 3 and second equation is d plus 10 by root 3. So d values we know. If we substitute in the place of d, we will get the height. So this equation is looking simple, so that's why I am taking h is equals to d root 3. h is equals to d into root 3. So h is equals to d value just now we got as 5. So 5 root 3. Height of the tower is 5 times root 3 meters. Okay, let's move to second question. Okay, second question is, a 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of a temple which is 30 meters in height. One boy whose height is given as 1.5 meters tall, he is observing the temple. Somewhere temple is there. Okay, base will be there obviously. A boy whose height is 1.5 meters tall is observing the temple which is 30 meters height. Then from a point at a certain distance. Okay. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. Okay, now he is here, so his eyes are here. From here he is observing the top of the crown, top of the temple. So we will draw one horizontal line here. Now after some time he is walking towards the temple. So at certain point of time he came till here. Now again at this point he is observing the top of the temple. So the angle of elevation is increasing from 30 to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. So in the beginning it is 30 degrees. As he came towards the temple, it increased to 60 degrees. Then he is asking to find the distance he walked towards the temple. So if I am taking the starting point as A and the ending point as B, so this AB distance we need to find out. So not to have any confusion, I am keeping all the points. This is some C, so this is a D, this is E, and this is F. Okay, now total height length is given as 30. So from here to here AD is 1.5 meters, means then CE is also 1.5. This is 1.5 meters. Then what about this FC? Total is 30. Here 1.5 completed. 30 minus 1.5. Nothing but 28.5. So this will become 28.5. Okay, now this ACED, this part is a rectangle, so no need to worry about this part. Now here upper, if we observe, two triangles are there again. So how many triangles are visible? We need to solve each and every triangle definitely. First we need to go with smaller triangle. So I am going with FBC triangle. Angle is there, opposite is there, adjacent is there. Angle, opposite, adjacent. Here we are finding how much distance he walked only, so we need to go with this horizontal only. We don't have any work with this hypotenuse. Angle, opposite, adjacent, nothing but tan again. So tan 60 is equals to, here it is FC by BC. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3, which is equals to FC is 28 half divided by BC. We don't know, we need to find. So I will take BC this side, I will bring root 3 this side. So BC is equals to 28.5 divided by root 3. Okay, here we don't have any work with this BC till now. So that's why I am not going to multiply with this root 3 by root 3. If it is needed, I will do that in the next step. Otherwise, we will leave it like this only. Okay, next. If I am going with this total triangle, 30 degrees angle, opposite, what will be the adjacent for this 30? Total base, that is AC will become the base. AC will become the base because 30 degrees is bigger triangle. So which consists of this total base AC. So tan 30 is equals to opposite FC divided by base AC or else adjacent AC. Tan 30 value we know 1 by root 3 is equals to FC is nothing but 28 half divided by AC. We don't know, so as it is. Now if we do cross multiplication, AC into 1, AC is equals to 28.5 into root 3. 28.5 times root 3. So now what we need to find out? The distance which he walked towards the temple. So it means this AB distance we need to find out. So how we will get this AB distance? From the total distance AC, if I remove this BC. From the total distance AC, I am removing this BC. So from the total distance AC, if I remove this BC, obviously I will remains with AB. So AB value we need to find out, that is nothing but AC minus BC. AC value we got it as 28 half root 3 and BC value we got it as 28.5 by root 3. Observe here. Here by root 3 is there, here into root 3 is there. So that's why I am going to do here root 3 by root 3. In case here also divided by root 3 is there, means I first go with the simplification, then after I will go with multiplication and division. 28.5 into root 3, 28.5 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, 3. Check, where in 3 table 28.5 will come? Yes, obviously. 3 1s are 3, 9s are 27, 1 remains 0.15, 3 5s are 15. So 9.5 root 3. So if we substitute those values, here AB is equals to AC is given as 28.5 root 3 minus BC value is 9.5 root 3. So from 28.5, if we subtract 9.5, minus 9.5 is nothing but 19. So root 3 as it is. So the distance he walked towards the temple is 19 root 3. All the measurements are in meters, so this is also meters. The distance walked by him towards the temple is 19 times root 3 meters. Okay, let's move to next question. Okay, next question number 3. A statue stands on the top of a 2-meter tall pedestal. And here don't get confused with the statue and pedestal words. I will show one figure. Okay. If you observe this figure, we will get some idea. This is statue and this bottom one is pedestal. Here this bottom part is completely pedestal and this upper one horse with the person is statue. So statue is standing on the top of a pedestal. Okay, let's move to our question now. Okay. A statue stands on the top of a 2-meter pedestal. So pedestal height is also given as 2 meters. Then from a point on the ground, okay, again this is pedestal right till here. Upon this pedestal we have one statue. Now from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue, somewhere on the ground we have one point. So from this point, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue onto the statue he is observing. This elevation he gave it as 60 degrees. Next, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Till here it is pedestal. From the same point he is observing, this angle he gave it as 45 degrees. Then he is asking to find the height of the statue. This total height we need to find out. Oh sorry, he is asking only height of the statue, right? So this we need to find out, this small part. Okay, I'll name it some A, B, C and this is some D. Total height including pedestal and statue is AB, whereas only the statue is AD. Okay, here also we can able to see clearly two triangles. So definitely we need to solve two triangles. Always first small triangle. BDC triangle if we take in triangle BDC. Small triangle is having 45 degrees. So angle opposite adjacent. Angle opposite adjacent is nothing but tan. So tan 45 degrees is equals to opposite BD divided by adjacent BC. So tan 45 value 1 is equals to BD is given as 2 meters by BC we don't know. If I take BC this side, BC into 1, BC is equals to 2. Here the measurements are in meters, so this is also meters. So BC is equals to 2 meters. We got the base as 2 meters. Okay, next. Total triangle I am taking. So total bigger triangle having 60 degrees. So angle opposite adjacent. So for this bigger triangle, what is the opposite? Total side AB. So tan 60 is equals to opposite total side AB by base BC or else adjacent. Tan 60 root 3 is equals to AB. How much AB then? AB means AD plus BD. So BD is given as 2 meters. So we don't know AD. So that's why AB is nothing but AD plus 2 meters divided by BC. We got it as 2 meters. So I will take this 2 this side. So we get 2 root 3 is equals to AD plus 2. We want AD value. So I will take this 2 also to the left side. 2 root 3 plus 2 will become minus 2 is equals to AD. So the value of AD is nothing but 2 root 3 minus 2. So still if we simplify from two terms, 2 we can take common. So if I take 2 common, here we remains with root 3. Here already 2 completed, so 1 will be remains. So 2 into root 3 minus 1. The height of the statue is 2 of root 3 minus 1 meters. Don't forget to write the units ever. So 2 of root 3 minus 1 meters. That is the height of the statue. So in case in the question, if you give root 3 value, substitute that in the place of root 3 and solve it, you will get some simplified answer. Something 1 point something or 2 point something, whatever it may be. Okay, let's move to next question then. The next question number 4. From the top of a building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cell tower. So in this, two objects are there. One is building and one is cell tower. So always the building is smaller than the cell tower until and unless he mention the building is higher. Okay, always the building is smaller. So just for our convenience, I am keeping it as building and this as tower. Okay. From the top of a building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cell tower. From the top of the building, he is observing the top of the cell tower with 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Then, and the angle of depression to its foot. The angle of elevation of the top of a cell tower is 60 and the angle of depression to its foot is 45. From the same point, he is observing the foot of the tower, where the angle of depression is 45 degrees. So depression will form here 45 degrees. If it is 45 degrees here, obviously this is also 45 degrees because these two are parallel lines. This will become transversal. So these two are alternate. Then if distance of the building from the tower, this is building, this is tower. So the distance is given as 7 meters. This distance is 7 meters. Then he is asking to find the height of the tower. This tower height we need to find out. So for making this problem easy, I am going to write all ABCDs. This is some A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E. Still any point is needed? Okay, no problem. Sorry. Okay, now if we observe this figure clearly, here A, D, E, one triangle, A, B, C, one triangle. So these two triangles we need to find out now. So first I am going with the upper triangle. In triangle ADE. In triangle ADE. If you observe clearly, this is 7 meters means from B to C. Obviously A to D also 7 meters only, because these two are parallel to each other. So if this is 7 meters, here also 7 meters. Okay, now angle is there. Here opposite is ED and adjacent is there. Angle opposite adjacent. So tan 60 is equals to opposite ED or DE divided by adjacent AD. Tan 60 value root 3. So root 3 is equals to DE. We don't know. So DE as it is by AD value 7 meters. We want DE now. So 7 I will take to the left side. It will become multiplication. So DE is equals to 7 into root 3. All the measurements are in meters. So this is also meter. So DE is equals to 7 into root 3 meters. Okay, next. Here ABC triangle is there. So if you observe that triangle, in triangle ABC, angle is there. This AB is the opposite and this 7 meters is adjacent. Angle opposite adjacent, again tan only. So tan 45 is equals to, for tan 45 opposite AB by adjacent BC. Okay, tan 45 is 1, which is equals to AB we don't know, divided by BC is 7. So we want AB value. So 7 I will take to the left side. So if we take to the left side, it will become multiplication. So then AB is equals to 1 into 7, 7 meters. So DE value we got as 7 root 3 and AB we got as 7 meters. So if we observe this AB, from here to here, AB is exactly equals to the C to D. So CD is nothing but 7 meters. Again same. CD is equals to 7 meters. Because AB is exactly equal to DC or CD. Okay, now he is asking to find the height of the tower. So height of the tower is equals to, tower is from C to E. So CD plus DE. CD plus DE. CD value is 7 plus DE is 7 root 3. So in the two terms 7 is there. I will take 7 common. Here 7 completed, so we remains with 1. Here 7 completed, so root 3. Height of the tower is 7 into 1 plus root 3 meters. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, the question is, a wire of length 18 meters had been tied with electric pole at an angle of 30 elevation 30 degrees with the ground. So we have a pole. For that pole we are making one wire with the ground exactly. So with the ground it is making 30 degrees. Okay, next. A wire of length 18 meters. This wire length is also given as 18 meters. A wire of length 18 meters had been tied with electric pole at an angle of elevation 30 degrees with the ground. Okay. Because it was covering a long distance. Here 18 meters they are doing means here. So this distance is more in their view. It was cut and tied at an angle of elevation 60 degrees with the ground. So it is covering a more distance. So what he is doing, he cut the wire to some extent and he is tying it somewhat near to the pole. Then it is making 60 degrees angle. He is asking how much length of the wire was cut. How much length he cut from that. So in the beginning it is 18 meters. Now it somewhat cut from that. So 18 minus x. Okay, I'll keep some names. A, B, C, D. So if you observe clearly, here also we have two triangles. One is ABC triangle and one is ABD triangle. So first, as usual, small triangle I will go with. That is ABC triangle. Triangle ABC, if you observe. Angle opposite hypotenuse. Angle opposite hypotenuse. Angle opposite hypotenuse is nothing but sine. So sine 60 is equals to opposite AB by hypotenuse AC. So sine 60 value we know root 3 by 2 is equals to AB we don't know divided by AC 18 minus x. If you do cross multiplication 18 minus x into root 3 is equals to 2AB. We want AB value, so I will take 2 to the left side. 18 minus x into root 3 whole divided by 2 is equals to AB. Next, I am going to take the total bigger triangle now. Angle, opposite, adjacent. Again, oh sorry, not adjacent, hypotenuse we want, right? Because hypotenuse is given. Angle, opposite, hypotenuse. So again, sine 30. Now we are taking total triangle. So triangle ABD. Sine 30 is equals to opposite AB divided by hypotenuse AD. You may get one doubt, why we are taking opposite only, why not adjacent then? Because we can use cos also. Because for the smaller triangle as well as for the bigger triangle is AB side is common. So that is nothing but opposite. So that's why every time I'm going with opposite by hypotenuse only, not with adjacent by hypotenuse. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 which is equals to AB we don't know, so AB as usual divided by AD is nothing but 18 meters. So if you do cross multiplication 18 ones are 18 which is equals to 2 times AB 2AB. So if I take this to this side it will become division. 18 by 2 is equals to AB. So AB is equals to 18 by 2 how much? 9. So AB is equals to 9 meters. Okay, here already we know that AB is nothing but the height or else the same for smaller triangle as well as for bigger triangle. So this AB and this AB both are equal to each other. So obviously this left side is exactly equals to this right side. 18 minus x into root 3 by 2. 18 minus x into root 3 by 2. 18 minus x into root 3 by 2 is equals to 9. Okay, now let us simplify this. 9 which is there in the denominator, I will take to the right side, so it will become multiplication. So 18 minus x into root 3 is equals to 9 2s are 18. Now I will open this bracket. Outside number into first number, outside number into second number. 18 into root 3, 18 root 3 minus x into root 3, x root 3 is equals to 18. I'll take this minus x root 3 to the right side and 18 to the left side. So 18 root 3 as it is, plus 18 will become minus 18 equals to minus x root 3 will become plus x root 3. Now we want x value, so root 3 I will take to the this side. So 18 times root 3 minus 18. Here it is multiplication. If we take another side, it will become division. Sorry, root 3. So that is x. So x is nothing but the part which was cut. So x is equals to 18 root 3 minus 8 divided by root 3 meters. No, we don't want a denominator like this irrational number. So again multiply and divide. 18 root 3 minus 18 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. First one into root 3, second one into root 3. 18 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3. 3 into 18, 54. Minus 18 root 3 whole divided by root 3 into root 3, 3. So this is the value of x. X is nothing but the amount of wire which was cut. 54 minus 18 root 3 divided by 3 meters. Okay, let's move to next question then.